Ladies and gents, welcome to Six Figs. We're talking about one of my favorite projects today, Nervos Network CKB, which is on the verge of exploding out of the gates with the potential of its RGB++ capabilities. This connects users straight to Bitcoin, folks, and that's a big deal. Nervos Network is up 7%, up 357% this year. So, what's happening on the charts right now? This was from my last video I did on CKB, I don't know, a week ago. And really, when it comes down to it, I was basically telling everybody that we would need to maybe target this little thin section of the Ichimoku cloud. Turns out that we got rejected by the 50 moving average, but we kind of fell back into this potential ascending triangle that I had drawn up as kind of like a backup plan. Now, what we have seen is a pretty clear ABCDE corrective wave in the form of Elliott wave theory, and there really was a very nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse wave to the upside. So I'm hoping that we are going to now see CKB really start running back up. And we have a very nice doji star which has formed. So this is a good indication that the price could be getting ready to pull a reversal. Usually when you start to see spinning tops, you kind of know that things are looking to kind of switch gears. Good news is we still have a very thin Ichimoku cloud that this price could easily pass through. I do suspect that we will have some issues with this 2-cent level, possibly. It's been getting rejected since late April. So I'm hoping that doesn't happen, because I do think that if we see CKB move back up to this upside, man, we might be in this position of forming a cup and handle, or still filling out this glorious ascending triangle, which, to be honest with you, I would rather see it form this ascending triangle more than anything else, because it will give us more of a base to launch off of. More rocket fuel, baby. Now, I do think that Nervos Network could also be filling out a tremendous run to the upside. And if we are talking about Elliott wave theory, folks, and we get this next move to the upside, I think that there could be this very nice chance that we see something like this happen. So I do think that right now, if we are seeing Elliott wave theory to the upside, Nervos Network, guys, in my opinion, we would need to see 0 to 1 be the shortest length or span here, because 0.2 to 3 cannot be the shortest span or length when it comes down to Elliott wave theory. So if this thing does rip off an impulse wave, we might be gearing up to see this thing rip to about 20 cents. How cool is that? So I want to say that anything can happen in crypto. Do your own research, of course. I am not some wizard here. I'm just some crazy guy talking about what's going on in the charts. You can see the 476 kind of ends right up into this number. So, we could be seeing something like this happen. And of course, we would still need that span of 4 to 5 to cruise higher. So, I mean, guys, I think we're sitting pretty good. In the last few months, when Nervos took off out of the gates, I've been telling everybody that we need to see the price action start coming back down to earth, because this is a very nice bull flag, but price action in here too far from this shoulder of the cloud and this 50 moving average, baby. That's right. So I do think that we are going to see this flag form, possibly, maybe not. I mean, we might see this thing just make the bounce. So I'm hopeful here, guys. I'm hopeful But I still do think that we're not going to really see this thing start run till we get into like the end of June, mid-June, somewhere in there. So that's kind of my thoughts on Nervos Network price action, folks. I love you all, and we'll see you guys on the next video.